everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video, I will show you how to share notes on Instagram with close friends. So first, you need to open your Instagram app and go to the messaging section, your DM section. So here at the top left, you will see the note section, your profile. You just need to click on it and you will be taken to this note sharing section. So here at the bottom you will see followers that you follow back. Just click on it and you will see this pop-up rectangular thing. You just need to click on close friends and click on share. So this note that I just written is shared with my close friends only, not with the followers that I follow back. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll meet you guys in the next video.